Verifying your fidor bank account is a critical step to access all its services securely. The process starts by opening the fidor bank app or visiting the official website. Begin by entering your personal details accurately, including your full name, date of birth, residential address, and contact information. Fidor Bank places a high priority on accurate data to ensure compliance with financial regulations. Once your information is submitted, the next step is identity verification. Fidor Bank accepts valid government-issued identification documents, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. The document should be current, clearly legible, and free from any damages. For digital verification, take a clear photo or scan of your ID and upload it through the secure verification portal on the app or website. Fidor Bank uses encrypted channels to handle sensitive data, ensuring privacy and security throughout the process. After submitting your ID, Fidor Bank may require a selfie or a short video for facial verification. This step confirms that the ID belongs to the account holder. Follow the instructions precisely, holding the document next to your face, and ensure proper lighting for clarity. The verification process is automated but may also undergo manual review for additional security. Once the documents and facial verification are successfully submitted, the system will process your information. Verification typically takes from a few minutes to 24 hours. Upon completion, you will receive a confirmation via email or app notification. Your account status will change to verified, granting full access to Fidor Bank features, including transfers, payments, and account management. Completing the Fidor Bank verification correctly is essential to ensure account security, prevent fraud, and maintain uninterrupted access to all banking services. Following these steps precisely avoids delays and enables smooth use of your Fidor Bank account.